that if you don't visit us this year, then we will be coming to Bengal and we will offer you there. You tell me, my friend, philosopher and guide, and my lovable students all, can I deny? Can I deny their love, their affection? And can I tell them that don't come to my state? Is it proper or fair? At least we have to respect the courtesy, the diplomacy. An education field and cultural field is something different. It cannot match with politics. It's a different field where the human being, the human touches. It touches the heart of the human body. Touches our heart, our brain. We know that Bengal and Japan, our relation is very old. Even cultural program you have seen that how our people and Japanese culture mix up together. And it was really excellent how we gave us to remember those days when Rabindranath Tagore visited Japan. And always the Okakura Kakuzo, Rabindranath Tagore and the art of historian, everybody remember. Even Swami Vivekananda, he visited Japan before independence. It was very old times. 1893. Even after that, Rashbihari Bose, he also visited Japan before independence. And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, sometimes we may forget, but history will not excuse us if we forget all this. When Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose set up this Indian National Army, you, the Japan government, Japan people, gave him full honor and full respect. Though there is a confusion between his death, now also everybody knows about his birthday, but we don't know about his death. But he is a man. He had set up this planning commission. This Indian National Army, so many things. Even Jai Hind was his slogan. And Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore, Shanti Niketan, you have the unit. And you were collaborating with Shanti Niketan also from the beginning. Even ecotourism park also, you have some shops also. I have seen it in my own eyes. It is excellent. Rabindranath Tagore, the house. Even so many companies are working here. And they are investing huge money. Mitsubishi, Tata, Hitachi. They are doing so many work, even JICA. But instead of that, even Japan's Nippon Telegraph and Telephone Data has invested rupees 2,000 crore in Silicon Valley. Even Webel, it is Bengal IT department. Webel, in association with Fujisoft, has set up a state-of-art center of excellence on machine learning, 3D printing and designing, cyber security, etc. So our relation is not only, it started from today, it started since hundreds of years. As we continue to work together to take our beloved state to greater heights. And today's development, of course, it will be remembered forever. I wish all of you, your friends, your family members, your countrymen, Japan is a beautiful country. And your health is very good always. How you maintain your health? It's a matter of lesson, it's a matter of learning. And beautiful rivers, beautiful forest, beautiful water bodies, what not? Beautiful hills, you have everything with you. But some sad story is also there because of World War, Nagasaki, Hiroshima. That is also there. But you rebuild Japan like anything. And it is really our students also, they love to go to Japan and to study. They go for research. They go for their future in Japan. It is a symbol of a shared commitment partnership. May I quote Rabindranath Tagore, what Bengal always believed, now also, and it will be forever, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. And that's why there is no boundary limitation. Maybe you are different country, we are different country, but our heart is same, our blood is same, and we love each other because this is the humanity and this is the spirit of India and spirit of Bengal also. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Domo arigato gozaimasu. That means thank you very much. Thanks a lot for coming over here. You have taken too much travel to come over here. But we love all of you. And certainly when you personally, all the university professors, dignified people, you came here. So if you have the heart, we have the heart also. I can assure you next year I must visit your university.